What if you could actually watch your joints heal themselves at the cellular level? Today, we're diving deep into the revolutionary GeneFit Triaxial exercise methodology developed by the Barrios NeuroSport Institute, where cutting-edge science meets remarkable healing. Inside every damaged joint lies an incredible story of degeneration and potential regeneration. When joint capsules lose their natural pressure dynamics, the delicate ecosystem of fibroblasts, chondrocytes, and synoviocytes begins to break down. Pain and swelling follow as the tissue struggles to maintain itself. GeneFit changes that by restoring controlled, variable pressure across 3 axes: compression, shear, and torsion, using precisely sequenced movements. Imagine subtle rotation, glide, and compression combined to produce moving pressure gradients inside the capsule. Those gradients shift fluid toward one side, then another, creating directional microflows that bathe targeted tissue with nutrients and mechanical cues. Early on, this variable joint capsule pressure helps evacuate inflammatory mediators, reduces effusion, and normalizes intracapsular mechanics. Patients often feel less pain and notice reduced swelling within the first week as the capsule's microenvironment begins to stabilize. In animation, you'll see the capsule respond as pressure zones migrate, restoring balance and setting the stage for deeper cellular repair. Watch as the dynamic pressure waves flow through the synovial fluid, reaching every corner of the joint capsule. This isn't random movement. It's scientifically engineered stimulation that targets specific cellular populations. At the microscopic level, the responses are distinct and coordinated. Fibroblasts react to intermittent tensile and compressive cues by activating gene programs for collagen and extracellular matrix organization. In animation, they begin glowing with activity and extend processes as they lay down aligned collagen fibers. Chondrocytes sense cyclic compression and shear, swelling slightly as they ramp up proteoglycan and cartilage matrix secretion to rebuild worn surfaces. Synoviocytes, lining the capsule, respond to fluid shear by increasing synovial fluid production and refining its lubricating composition, improving joint glide. Directional pressure matters. When dynamic fluid is pushed toward a stressed side of the capsule, that region receives higher mechanobiological stimulation. Fibroblasts proliferate, chondrocytes increase matrix deposition, and local synoviocytes modulate fluid viscosity. Conversely, sides receiving less stimulation show slower change, illustrating why properly planned triaxial vectors are critical. Time-lapse animation shows day 1 through day 7. Early inflammation, red, swollen areas, subsides as harmful mediators are flushed and anti-inflammatory signaling rises. By day 3 to 5, nascent collagen frameworks and proteoglycan-rich cartilage matrix become visible. By day 7, new tissue patches fill defects and smooth articulating surfaces, coinciding with patients' reports of reduced pain and swelling. The vascular story is central. Controlled pressure variation stimulates angiogenesis. Endothelial cells sprout from existing capillaries, guided by gradients of growth factors released by activated fibroblasts and synoviocytes. Animated capillary sprouts extend, branch, and connect, forming a denser, organized microvascular network. Red blood cell flow increases nutrient delivery and waste removal, accelerating matrix maturation and bringing immune cells that support constructive remodeling. The joint transforms from a poorly perfused, inflamed space into a more nourished, actively remodeling environment. The neurological component ties the whole process together. In degenerating joints, mechanoreceptors, Ruffini endings, Pacinian corpuscles, and free nerve endings generate distorted signals that misinform the central nervous system, perpetuating maladaptive motor patterns and guarding. That distorted feedback reinforces abnormal loading and further tissue deterioration. The Barrios NeuroSport Institute approach intentionally targets those sensory pathways. GeneFit's graded directional stimulation retrains mechanoreceptors and reweights sensory input to the spinal cord and brain. Over repeated sessions, aberrant signaling diminishes and normal proprioceptive patterns re-emerge. Our team evaluates movement quality continuously, interpreting neural feedback and refining exercise vectors so the joint's sensory map is effectively rewritten. The outcome is twofold: improved motor control and normalized load distribution, plus a biological environment primed for remodeling. Clinical results combine symptom relief with structural improvement, reduced pain, less swelling, restored range of motion, and objectively improved tissue organization on imaging and in animated cellular views. This is rehabilitation that addresses cells, vessels, and nerves together, where movement becomes medicine, and the Barrios NeuroSport Institute leads the way in integrative joint regeneration.